So this right here is G-Cycle's L8 Pro electric scooter, and first things first, let's go ahead and set it up. So it's a pretty straightforward setup process. Screw in the handlebar, connect the wires, and that's pretty much it. I do appreciate the screws already being screwed in on the handlebar. It makes it easier to find, and it also comes with all of the tools needed to set up the scooter. Now that's out of the way, let's take it out for a spin. The L8 Pro is easy to fold and unfold. It weighs just around 25 pounds, definitely one of the lighter and easier to carry around scooters I've tested out so far, and it also comfortably fits in a mid-size sedan's trunk. The only catch here is the handlebars might slide off during transport if the rear foot brakes are pressed. As for the build quality, it's got an aluminum frame, rear LED lights, puncture-proof 8-inch Honeycomb tires, a comfortable non-slip deck with the Honeycomb pattern, a front shock absorber to smoothen out the ride, and then on the handlebar we got a little screen that tells you how fast you're going, the battery life, and what mode you're in. Next to that is the bell, sounds pretty good. And then there's the brake lever. This scooter has a triple braking system, a drum brake on the front, a regenerative e-brake on the back, and a mechanical rear foot brake for additional braking power. Then on the right side is where you'll find the throttle. There's also a headlight that gets bright enough to ride safely during nighttime. So overall, the L8 Pro has a sleek and a sturdy design. The only thing that doesn't feel as sturdy is the kickstand, but so far so good. Powering the L8 Pro is a 500 watt motor with a 281 watt hour battery. This scooter has a max load of 265 pounds, a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, and it's capable of climbing a 15% incline. On a full charge, the L8 Pro can travel up to 18 miles. Depending on how you ride, your mileage will vary. In my use, I got it to last over 12 miles before needing charge. Talking about charging, it takes around 5 hours to charge it from 0 to 100%. Now, let's talk about my riding experience. Coming from the NIU KQi2 Pro, the L8 Pro doesn't feel as smooth and isn't as quiet as the KQi2 Pro, but after getting used to it, it's alright, you know, no major complaints about the riding experience. The front shock absorber does its job, but I think it could have been a smoother ride if the tires were bigger or if the rubbers were softer, but either way, it rides decently smooth. You will hear some clicking noises here and there if you're going over bumps, but overall, it's a decently smooth riding experience. No major complaints here. With all that being said, that pretty much wraps up this video. The L8 Pro is a decent little scooter if you're looking to save some money and some space.